Say goodbye, Toby. Say goodbye, Toby. If you have a problem with your dog and you're afraid that he's gonna bite somebody and you want to muzzle him, but sometimes it's not very friendly, this is actually it is. This is a large one. It's because you can see it, his actual tongue goes all the way down. He's breathable. You can see any kind of obstacles he has in there. Now you got to stretch it out because this goes on the top, all right? This goes over his nozzle, all right? And then look at this. They even put cushion in here so it won't actually hurt him or anything like that. So my recommendation, train your dog. Not just to put it on him the first day. You got to train them. Give them a snack, and every time you put this on, you give them another snack and so forth, and they'll like it a lot. And next thing you know, I just tell him, hey, let's go, and he grabs his thing and he's ready to go. Now they do give you a little hanger here too, so you go put his leash if you want to hang him from there, but I don't recommend you. Just keep as it is. This is going to be protecting him from biting anybody or anybody, you know. It's just pretty much in case your dog ever gets that vicious. All right, so but I'm gonna demonstrate you not how to put it on, because you actually have to measure your own dog and test it out before you put it on and clip it on. All right, so we're gonna put it on him and see how it looks. All right, so this is the muzzle. All right, if you guys can see that, this part, sit, come here, right here, come here, Cookie, sit. So this part right here goes on the top. So this goes on the top like that, just like that. This goes over him. Let me see if you guys can see. Stay. This goes over him. This goes in here, around, and you clip it. But if it doesn't reach, you're gonna have to find the actual center. Hold on. Center it. Hold on. Center it. And of course, sit. Stay. Good boy. So let me show you guys. This is loose enough here. You got to tighten it up some more. But this centerpiece, it goes right through his eyes. Sit. It's too loose. You got to tighten it up. Sit. So pretty much, this is what you do. All right. This is the pretty much muzzle on him. He has plenty of breathable room. You don't have to worry about him. Let me show you guys. He has plenty of breathable room. Look at that. Stretchable. Perfect for him. He could drink water too. Look at his tongue comes out. So that's pretty much it.